everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. Today I'm gonna make miso soup. So I have two miso soup here. So to make it healthy, some of my ingredients are onions, organic onions, and organic mushroom instead of tofu, the fresh tofu. I don't have fresh tofu, so I'm gonna substitute with organic mushroom. So I have to chop it like this one here. I chop already. Here I chop already, but I'm gonna add some more to chop. So again, my ingredients for miso soup are mushroom, of course the tofu miso soup seasoning. You're gonna need it. I'm just gonna chop these tiny or in small pieces. So you can always substitute your ingredients for miso soup because I don't have tofu, fresh tofu. But this pack, it says 3 serving. There's dried tofu already on it, so that's fine. Then I'm gonna cut the onions. This is organic onions, guys, from the farmers market here in Vancouver, Oregon, USA. So I want more onions, so I might gonna cut another half of this one. Onion, it's gonna make delicious your soup. Okay. And of course, you're gonna need a black pepper. You have to grind the black pepper. So I'm gonna use the 3/4 salad master. So put the ingredients because it says 3 servings. So I'm gonna use 3 cups of water, the mushroom, and I'm gonna add all of this. See guys, so I'm gonna add all of these because it says 3 serving. So yeah, there's a dried tofu already inside of this one. So we are 3 people here, so that's exactly good one. So yeah. So now I'm gonna add 3 cups of water because it says 3 serving. And I'm gonna add the black pepper on it. While of course we have to put a lid on it. So while doing that, I'm gonna do the chopping of the green onions because we're gonna add this when it's cooked already, those some ingredients. And this one, it's only medium heat, so 5.5 medium heat. So when it's boiling, I'm gonna turn it to low. So now I'm done cutting of the green onions. So we're gonna add this when it's cooked already, the miso soup. It's clicking already, it's mean it's boiling already. So yeah, it's boiling already. So let's put the onions. After you put the green onions, close the lid and we're gonna turn off. We're gonna have to turn off this because it's gonna be cooked already. So in 2 minutes, the green onions also is cooked. And because this cookware salad master, even you turn it off, the heat is still cooking. So that's how we do it. So now after a minute, I turn it off. Let's check it out. See guys, it's half cooked, the green onions. So now it's time for me to try. Hey, sorry guys. So let's try it. My miso soup. There you go. I'm gonna try my miso soup. See guys, this looks so nice. Now, let's try how it's gonna be the taste. Oh my god, this is perfect. It's so good. Wow. It's so yummy and it's very healthy miso soup because I put mushroom in fresh green onions and organic mushroom and black pepper. So it's blend the taste. Wow, it's so good. Bon appetit! Thank you guys for watching. God bless us all. Sarap. Mapaparami ako ng kain nito. Init. The mushroom is so good. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.